Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and I just wanted to come to you and tell you about something that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. Well, it's not quite week 2, but this Thursday, or when this video drops, it will be my two week mark. So I just want to get on I just want to go on and have this video out so I can post it up on that mark for you guys. So basically, if you're on Instagram and you follow Curls, then you know that Curls has initiated basically a grow and slay challenge, and I actually have the little thing here and I'll post it in this video as well. So on their Instagram page they have Grow and Slay the Blueberry Way Curls Grow and Slay challenge. And it was like, in this challenge you can win a year worth of vitamins, cash prizes, monthly freebies, and a staycation with friends. So this challenge is going through November the 1st through February the 1st. So in this time I will be taking these Curls hair vitamins from November. I've been taking them since November the 1st, and I'll be finishing up February the 1st, and we're going to see how my hair changes and how it grows and how healthy it stays. So starting this challenge, before I seen this, I was wanting to try their hair vitamins, because since they're liquid form, not many companies have liquid form vitamins. So I've been really itching to try their products, and this challenge just kind of gave me the push to try them out. And after buying this, I can tell from looking at recent videos on YouTube that they have changed their formula, because I think it used to be orange, but now it's like this weird brownish color, and they even changed, I think, the flavor. Because I want to say, don't quote me because I didn't try the vitamins back then when they first came out, but I think they were a citrus flavor. Now they're basically a blueberry flavor, kind of to match the theme, you know. So yeah, I'm going to tell you about these vitamins. I do have the bottle out of the box. So this is the bottle with the hair vitamins in it. It is liquid form. So yeah, and it has been in the fridge. So on the box, which I have here, and I will post that on the video as well, it says grow, strengthen, and maintain healthy hair, nails, and skin. So this is the Blissful Blueberry Liquid Hair Growth Vitamin. And one thing that this vitamin advertises is that you can absorb up to 98% of the vitamins that are in this container. Well, in the serving or whatever. So they also advertise that in the blood you can absorb up to 98% in the bloodstream versus 20% from pills. So you're getting more of the vitamins in this liquid form than if you were to take a hair vitamin pill, because most of it be pissed out or whatever. It just won't be absorbed in the pill form. So I'm not going to get too into detail about this, but you take 1 tablespoon, and they do give you the little cup so you can measure it out. So you make sure that you're taking the right dose. My nose is acting funny, y'all. If you're on a keto diet, or you're doing any low carb, low sugar, something like that, then it's nice to know that this has 5 grams of total carbs, and the sugar is less than 1 gram, which I probably will post the nutritional facts on this video as well, just to help you out. And it does have 23 calories. Y'all, you are ingesting this. This is considered food, so just keep that in mind if you're doing any other diet, lifestyle, or whatever you're doing. Just keep that in mind, that this is your body is gonna think this is food when you drink it. So it has sugar in it, not that much, but it will give a response in your body. I might sound goofy, but y'all, I'm just saying, just to let you know. And if you are on a keto diet, just know that this is sweetened with stevia. So there isn't, the only sugar product in this is stevia, and stevia isn't really considered a sugar, alcohol, or anything like that. So just know it's sweetened with stevia. Turning to the side of this box, it says it does not, it optimizes I'm sorry, y'all. So it says the vitamin optimizes metabolism without caffeine. So there's no caffeine in this. Nope. Nope. No caffeine. It says it's formulated with a time-release proprietary blend of bioactive coenzymes, vitamins, and nutrients, which supports preventive skin health, no breakouts. So I do have a couple of breakouts, but it's not from this vitamin. It's from me not washing my makeup brushes, and I know because of where they are. And I recently had my hair straightened last week, I actually went to a salon so I could start this challenge. I went to a salon, I had my hair straightened, and I did get layers cut in my hair because I wanted to start off this challenge with healthy hair. So I wanted all of my dead ends clipped off if I had any, because y'all, it's been a while since I've had a haircut or gone to the salon to get a trim or anything. I used to trim myself. So I wanted to make sure I was starting off on the right track by getting a professional person to, you know, to check out my hair and see if there's anything that I can do to start off this challenge the right way, the healthy way. Because I don't want to be growing dead ends and split ends and stuff. That's not fun. I'm gonna cut it off anyway. So yeah. What else? But it does say no breakouts, and I haven't had any issues with breakouts with these vitamins until I recently just put on makeup and then wash my face like I usually do, because I was at a training, so I didn't have all of my products. But yeah, this is that, and I'm gonna get into this this bottle. Also, one thing that a lot of people dislike about this vitamin is that one bottle is only 2 weeks worth, so you have to buy 2 bottles for a month worth of hair vitamins, and this bottle does retail for about $25. Now, every now and then, Target, CVS, all these other places, I'm not sure if Sally's carry it, they will have 20% off on these products, or a buy one get one free on these products. Target is really good at having buy one get one free. So if Curls decides they want to have a Black Friday sale or a sale in general, you know, Target, and they'll all do the same thing. They're not just gonna overcharge you for the vitamins. But these are $25, and I got my vitamin for $20 at Target because I had 20% off. So yeah, it's nice to buy these when there's a sale. So if you're thinking about trying these vitamins, try to, I want to say, research or try to look for sales, or wait till a good sale comes to stock up on these products, because it can get a little pricey. You're spending $50 a month on hair vitamins, but they're supposed to be more responsive in the body than a pill, and you're supposed to absorb more. And so yeah, so taking these vitamins, like I said, it's almost been two weeks. I have noticed that TMI, my piss is like neon yellow. And if you know anything about neon yellow piss, that is basically B vitamins being flushed out. So I can tell that my body is absorbing these vitamins and is releasing what it doesn't need. And I can tell. And I haven't experienced that with any of my other hair vitamins, which is kind of weird. So yeah, I just want to get that out there. So, I really don't want this video to be too long. My hair is starting to frizz up, and I just want to go on and get this video out before my hair is completely reverted back to its natural state, or before I decide to style it, which I might make a video on. Not sure yet. But anyways, I do take these vitamins at night. I take them right before I go to bed, just so I guess it can absorb into my body while my body is resting and has time to fully absorb the vitamins. I don't take them throughout the day because I'm afraid I will forget, and just a lot be going on. So I do take them at night. And actually today I'm gonna go on and take it because it's hard to explain what they taste like. So yeah. And I have my little cup. The vitamin tastes pretty good. To be honest, I look forward to drinking this at the end of the night. It's like whenever I have a sweet tooth, I know I can drink this and go to sleep and not need to eat anything sweet. So, but one thing, it is really sweet, and if you want to, you can dilute it down with water. I'm not sure how that will affect it. It shouldn't, but if you don't like really sweet things, this is really sweet, and it does taste like blueberry. I know before people complain about it having like this vitamin aftertaste. I don't get that aftertaste in this new formula. At least I think it's a new formula, but I do not get that vitamin aftertaste. It does have like it kind of tastes like vitamins, but it's not strong. It's just really sweet. The sweet overpowers all the other taste in this hair vitamin. So it's kind of hard to explain how it tastes. I think it's pretty delicious, to be quite honest. So yeah, so like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, but I did want to come by and just tell you all those things and tell you what I've been doing so I can get this video up before it's too late. And also I want to do a hair length check. I said that's so weird. I want to do a length check. So I do have pictures from when I first started on that last Thursday, which was November the 1st. And I'm gonna show you how my hair is looking today, because it might not be looking like this the rest of the week when Thursday comes. So I'm just gonna do it now because I'm pretty sure my hair isn't gonna grow no spectacular length between the next 2 days. So yeah. So this is my hair right now. It is already frizzing up and it's pretty much, I want to say, collarbone length. Yeah, my collarbone is up here, but it's probably about ½ an inch below my collarbone. But I'm gonna show you the back of it as well, because y'all, I'm trying to make this work. So yeah. So before I show you how my hair is looking in the back, I'm gonna post a video that I took when I first started these vitamins, just to show you how my hair was looking when I got it freshly straightened and got layers cut in it, trimmed, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna insert that video now, and then I'm gonna show you how it is looking today, even though it's in its fluffy state. And I'm trying to use natural lighting, so my lighting might be kind of funky in this video. So yeah, this is my hair right now. Like I said, my collarbone sits about right here. My hair is probably about an inch or 1.5 inches below my collarbone in the front. My bangs stop right here. And I do have layers, so my hair is different lengths across the globe of my head. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And my camera won't focus. So turning around to the back, it's really fluffy. That is how it looks in the back. I'm not sure if you can get the full scope, but it's not quite. So my hair is not quite armpit length in the back or anything. I don't even know what length that is, so if y'all can help me out in the comment section, I muchly appreciate it. So yeah, I'm terrible at doing stuff like this. So anyways, I'm gonna show you that. But yeah, my hair is not armpit length yet. It slick was armpit length before I had the layers cut. But my hair was so many different lengths that I just wanted it all even, and I wanted it healthy. That's our goal with this challenge, is to have healthy hair. I'm not too worried about having length or anything. Length is great, I love it, but I want length retention, and I really want healthy hair. Healthy hair. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This challenge will be going on until February 1st, and I will try to get y'all videos every 2 weeks in case you're doing this challenge as well. And it's not too late to jump in. I mean, just jump in the challenge. Try these vitamins out. Tell me how they work for you guys as well. I would like to know that. And if you tried these before, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. Did you enjoy the flavor? Were you one of the people that tried it when the flavor was citrus? I want to know these things. So yeah, leave those comments in the comment section below, and I will put all the details on these vitamins in the description box. I'm out of breath. Hello, y'all, I'm out of breath. I'll put it in the description box below, so be sure to check that out as well. And And if you're interested in the challenge, I think the sign up has ended for Curls, but also go check out their site and you can see all the wonderful things that they are offering if you win the challenge. But you gotta be really dedicated, like really dedicated. So yeah, be sure to check that out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next. See ya.